Well, then going back to an earlier story, Minister of Sports Olivia Grange has given an early insight into how the ISA Boys and Girls Championships will be impacted by the impending major renovation work on the National Stadium. Minister Grange revealed that the stadium capacity for Champs 2028 and onwards will be impacted until the completion date earmarked for 2031.
Capacity will be reduced because we are going to do the redevelopment in stages. So a section of the facility will not be available. It's going to be a challenge, of course, but I was speaking with Mr. Wellington, who has indicated that they've started looking at that and how they will deal with it. There is constant consultation between the team that's working on the design and the stakeholders, which would include ISA. And so I'm sure they will work it out.
Minister Grange also announced that the Stadium East facility will undergo significant changes to accommodate events, including the ISA Boys and Girls Champs during this time of renovation work on the National Stadium.
However, we are going to improve Stadium East in a very significant way. So there may be some events that the facility will be used for, and there will be more comfort and more state-of-the-art equipment available there. So overall, there will be an improvement. But for the time being, during the development, there will be some inconvenience.